Do you suffer from annoying TPMS light on your dash due to faulty sensors in your wheels? Replacing these sensors can cost several $100s, pounds or euros. Finally, there's a solution developed in the UK, the world's first TPMS bypass system. You can install this yourself in easy steps. This particular unit is programmed for Ford. Here is a Ford Fiesta EcoSport, where we will demonstrate the system working. Now here are the programming steps supplied with your unit for this vehicle. Ignition off. Press brake and release. Turn vehicle ignition off and on 3 times, ending in the on or run position. Then press the brake once and then release. Now turn the ignition off, then on, then off and on again, and for a 3rd time off and on. Car horn will now beep and the display will show Learned mode. Switch on the bypass unit and the horn will beep as each wheel is learned. After all 4 wheels are learned, it will display training complete and your TPMS light is off. The final step is to find a good location, ideally beside the receiver, which in this vehicle is behind the glove box. It's always good to check with the dealer where your receiver is located. Thanks for your interest in the technology. Do not hesitate to get in touch, where we guarantee you the very best of support, and say goodbye to those annoying TPMS lights.